Carrie here, Hot Mesh Mom. Thank you if you're watching the replay. So, earlier today I posted a picture of my front door and my entryway, asking, basically what should I do with this thing? And, the birds are making noise up in the tree. Hi, Linda. I can't see comments. So if somebody commented something, I can't see it. I see Linda is watching. Hi, Mom. Hi, Teresa. And I see that now. Okay, so, nope, don't touch. Shut it back where it was, please. Oh, these kids drive me nuts. Leave it alone, Owen. So, oh my gosh. Anyways, so this just happened today. Richard left to go to grocery shop for dinner. We just finished dinner. And this is what I did. Are you guys ready? You want to see what I did? And I still have stuff all over me. And I got some because I leaned on the door. So look. Hold on. There. Ah! This is the first coat. Isn't that amazing? OMG, Becky. So my cousin, Leslie, said I should add like a, I don't even know what it's called, something there, and then kind of like a, like border around the door, and of course replace that thing. We haven't replaced it since we moved in. But look at that. This is what happens when you walk up to my house. Oh, and there's the window to my room. But see, look. Isn't that neat? So Richard comes home and I'm sitting on the floor painting. And he's like, I knew it was going to happen. I thought he was going to get mad, but he didn't. And then look at how cool my entryway is. See this little thing right here? I mean, like, I could barely sit right there. It's wide as my body. But my postal people leave packages right there so you can't see because they have this big column in the way. So they just leave it right there. But isn't that cool? So awesome. So I am full of paint. I'm sure it's all over. I tried not to get it on anything else. I did tape the doorknob and the deadbolt, but I love it. I don't even know what it looks like with the door closed. Let me see. With the, we have a security door on there. Hopefully they don't lock me out. Ooh, look at that. Amazing. So maybe later I'll walk down to the street and then I'll take a picture so you guys can see. But I'm going back inside, so I'll see you guys soon. Bye.